Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to view old or archived versions of your websites that you want to view. So this can be a pretty quick and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So let's say there's a website we wanted to view the older version of. So let's just say we go online. And let's say we go over to google.com. And let's say we want to view an older version of this website. So we're going to start by opening up a new tab here. Maybe this wasn't the best example because I'm going to actually use Google here. But we're going to type in web archive and you're going to hit enter. And one of the best matches should say web.archive.org. You want to click on that to open it up one time. And it should take a second. Now that the page is loaded, I'd recommend that you go over to whatever website you want to view an older version of. You just want to copy the link of the page, and now enter the URL or words related to the search into this field. You want to right click and then select paste, and then it'll give you a rundown of all the different screenshots it has over the time, over years and years. So obviously the more popular web pages, the more times it has been saved. Some of these you can see Google has been saved like virtually every 30 minutes for the last 15 years. So I just want to put that out there. So let's say we go back to the year 2000 here. And let's say we want to see how it looked like August 15th, 2000. You guys will be able to do that by just going on here. And if you close the toolbar up at the top, basically you get to see how the old view of the web page was. Now, word of caution, if the website has a lot of different pages and media files like videos and pictures, there's a good chance they will not load properly. And if you're clicking on links within a certain site, there's a good chance it won't archive that as well. So if I clicked on advanced search, you can see in this case it actually did archive what is going to be resulting from clicking on that back in the day, which is kind of cool, but you have to keep in mind a lot of websites are not like that. But this is a pretty simple basic search here. If you had any more complex ones, you're more than welcome to do them. So let's say we went over and typed in youtube.com and I copied that link and then I went into the archive. We can select something all the way back from, let's say, 2007 here. I'm going to select November 1st, 2007. And you guys can see what YouTube used to look like on that specific date. So it's definitely a cool little feature, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to give you guys some ideas and was able to offer something that maybe you guys wouldn't have thought of in the past, or maybe there was something that you didn't realize existed at your fingertips that was completely free. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.